Friends, so in the previous video we have seen the introduction of the chapter quadrilaterals. So today we are going to solve the NCERT textbook problems. So we are going to solve the questions of exercise 8.1. So the first question is, the angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5 to 9 to 13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. So the four angles of the quadrilateral are given in the ratio of 3:5 to 9 to 13. So we have to find all the angles of the quadrilateral. So whenever you get any question which is in the form of ratios, so always take as x. So let the common ratio between the angles be x. So let us take the common ratio as x. So if we have taken as x, then all the four angles will be, the first angle will be 3x, second angle will be 5x, third angle is 9x, and fourth angle is 13x. So we know that the sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral is 360. So we know that the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360. So we will add all the angles. So 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x. It will give you 360. So if you add all this one, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 13 gives you 30. So 30x is equal to 360. So x is equal to, now you divide 360 by 30, you will get as 12. So the common ratio, so x value is 12. So the first angle will be 3x, that means 3 into 12, that is 36. Second angle is 5x, so 5 into 12 is 60. Third angle 9x, 9 into 12 is 108. And the fourth angle is 13x, means 13 into 12, 156. So it means if you add all these angles, you will get 360 degree. Next question, question number 2. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So if we take a parallelogram and if the two diagonals have the same measure, then we have to prove that the parallelogram is a rectangle. So initially in the question it is given to us that the shape is a parallelogram and the diagonals are equal. So given AC is equal to BD, AC is equal to BD, as because in the question it is given that diagonals are equal. We have to show that ABCD is a rectangle. We have to prove ABCD is a rectangle if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. To show ABCD is a rectangle, we have to prove that one of its interior angle is right angle. So in order to prove that this parallelogram is rectangle, if we are able to prove that any one interior angle, it may be this angle or this one or this one or this one, if any of the four angles is 90 degree, we can directly say that this parallelogram is a rectangle. So let us start the proof. Let us take triangle ABC and BAD. ABC, this triangle, and BAD. So let us take this triangle and this triangle. We will see what are common here. Okay, this triangle and this triangle. So first of all, BC is equal to BA. It is not BC, it is BA. Okay, some printing mistake is there. So in these two triangle, this side is common. So BA equal to BA. AC equal to AD. AC is equal to, it is not AC, it is AC, it is BC is equal to AD, as because parallelogram it is equal. AC equal to BD, AC equal to BD. So what we have gone, this is common, this, then these two are also equal, and these two diagonals are equal as given in the question. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So if these two triangles are congruent, we can say that angle A is equal to angle B. So we can say, now see, this triangle and this triangle both are equal. So we can say that this angle, angle A is equal to angle B. So angle A equal to angle B. Now angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That's because sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal. So angle A plus angle B. Now see here, these two are parallel, okay, and this is the transversal. So, or we can say this is the transversal. So the angle, the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal. For example, if we have two parallel lines and if this is the transversal, then the sum of these two angles, the sum of these two angles, sum of the interior angles on one side of the transversal is always equal to 180 degree. So these two are parallel lines and this is the transversal. So the sum of these two angles, this angle and this angle, should be 180 degree. So we can say angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Now angle A is equal to angle B. So in place of angle B we can write angle A. So angle A plus angle is twice of angle A equal to 180. So angle A is equal to 180 by 2 is 90 degree. So angle A is also 90 degree, B also 90 degree. So as I told you earlier, if any of these angle interior angles is 90 degree, we can say that this parallelogram is a rectangle. So these two are 90 degree, means all the angles are 90 degree. So we can say that this parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle. So in the next video we will learn the next problems. Thank you.